Today we are going to discuss about laser hair removal. Most of the queries on my YouTube channel are regarding the laser hair removal. Laser hair removal is done for unwanted facial hairs and body hair removal is also done. The females who are having hormonal problem or may they have a hereditary increase in the hair growth on face, they can get laser hair removal done. Laser hair removal is quite safe and effective technique to get rid of the unwanted hairs. You may require 6 to 8 sittings to get 70 to 80% of reduction in hair, and these sittings are placed 4 to 6 weeks apart. Sun protection is quite mandatory, and for any laser technique to have a better result, sun protection is mandatory for the patient. And other side effects, these depend on basically the post care suggested by the doctor. The laser is absolutely safe. It has no side effects as such caused by using of a laser on patients. So if you have any queries regarding laser hair removal, please do contact us on our YouTube channel, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates on laser hair removal and other skin tips. Thanks.